How to block artists on Spotify. Hello everyone, welcome back into the channel. In this video today, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can block artists on Spotify. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through this video. In order to block artists on Spotify, what you can do is you can simply go ahead and open up Spotify first on your device. Once you open up Spotify, you can head over to the particular artist that you would like to block. So once you open up the artist page, right, you want to open up and head over to the artist page. There you want to tap on the three dots, and once you tap on three dots here, you'll see that there isn't any block option, but instead you'll find the option that says don't play this artist. Once you tap on it here, what this does is this was enable and the music won't be played from that particular artist again. So to remove it or to unblock, you'll have to do the same. Simply head over to three dots and remove the blocking. So this is how you can easily block artists on Spotify. Hope this video helped. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave the comments down below if you have any further issues.